Hey everyone, I'm Camille. In our previous tutorials, we've learned many interesting text effects. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly create this looping animation made up of multiple points. The process is very simple. Just follow the tutorial step by step, and you'll be able to finish it easily. If you're interested, keep watching. First, let's open VideoProc Vlogger. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can download it for free from the link in the description box. Here, we'll need a solid blue image, which we can quickly create in VideoProc Vlogger. Click here to create a new text track. Then delete all the text. Next, click here to change the background color. We'll choose blue. Now, click here to save a screenshot. Import the blue screenshot into VideoProc Vlogger. After that, change the background color back to black. Next, delete the text track and place the solid color image on the main track. Then click on Effects. Find the circular mask and drag it onto the effect track. In the inspector panel, adjust these two parameters. It should look about right. If you're unsure, you can use the parameters I'm showing here. Finally, click here to save a screenshot. Then import the screenshot back into VideoProc Vlogger for further editing. Next, delete all the materials on the timeline and place this image on the main track. Then click here and drag two guidelines, placing them in the center of the screen. Next, click here to move the circle to here. Then, drag and create two more guidelines. Place them at the current center of the circle. Copy the image layer and paste it onto the overlay track. Then scroll down to find the blend mode and change it to lighten. Move it to this position. Try to make it symmetrical with the circle on the left. Then click Color and find HSL. Select blue and slightly lower the saturation. Then click Apply. You can see that the second blue is slightly lighter. Just like before, create a set of guidelines at the center of the circle. Then click here to create two new overlay tracks. Copy the material again onto the new track. Move it down to a symmetrical position. Then create a new pair of guidelines. Click Color and bring down the saturation of the blue color a little bit. Finally, repeat once more. Copy a layer to the new track. I'll quickly perform these steps. And once everything is done, click here to hide the guidelines. This is how we create the 4 points. Next, click here to save a screenshot. Then import the screenshots into VideoProc Vlogger. After that, delete all the materials on the timeline and place the screenshots on the main track. Then click Motion. Create a keyframe at the starting position. Here, I want the shape to complete a rotation every 2 seconds. We can create another keyframe at the 2-second mark, changing the rotation angle to 360 degrees. If you want it to rotate more times, you can lengthen the duration of the material on the timeline. For example, we can extend it to over 20 seconds here. Then create another keyframe at the 20-second mark. changing the rotation angle to 3,600 degrees. Let's split it and see. Not bad. Here we have a uniform rotation. You can also try controlling the rotation speed with multiple keyframes to achieve a variable speed rotation effect. Now, a simple rotating dot effect is completed. Isn't it very easy? Alright, that's all for this video. Go ahead and give it a try yourself. If you want to learn more simple and interesting effects, just feel free to check out our homepage. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye!